Jai Hind everyone, good morning to all of you. This is Pooja Upadhyay from Shri Ram Public School. I welcome you all in Shri Ram Public School online classes. As you know, because of the COVID situation, now again we have to go for the online classes. And as I know that we are a commercial, so we are ready for each and every business environmental changes, right, student? So let's start with a new topic of the today. The today's topic is I hide it. Actually, you need to find out what is the today's topic. It refers to the guiding, instructing, communicating, motivating, giving order, etc. to the employee for accomplishment of organizational goal with effective and efficiently. Now you need to find out which function is doing all this thing. Means under which method, under which function we are going to guide the employee for doing the work, instructing them, communicating them, motivating, giving order, etc. to the employee for completing the work with efficiently and effectively. As you know, the word meaning of efficiently and effectively. The employee should be work with optimum utilization of resources. It means that minimum wastage or a no wastage with a minimum time or exact on time. They need to complete the work. Let me give you a hint, then maybe you find out which function is this. As you know, the function starting from the planning, under which we are going to decide what to do, when to do, how to do, where to do, etc. That's it. Now, the next thing, organizing. We are arranging all the resources, man, money, material, machineries. We are arranging the different department, designation and all. But still the work was not going to start. As also, out of all this, only the man is active, but other is a passive thing, correct? So, for making this passive actively, we need to appoint the employee. That is going to be done in your third function, which I already taught you, staffing, correct? In staffing function, we are going to appoint the employee, the higher employee, the competitive personnel, those who can able to make the all resources utilization properly. But you know what, student, until and unless these people are going to get the direction, not going to work, right? That's why I hope so now you confirm with your function that this is nothing but the directing, correct? Directing means generally the student learn the points like guiding, instructing, motivating to the employee, etc. But dear, you need to be learn actual meaning of the direction. Directing just not the element of motivating, directing, guiding, communicating and all. It is a function where you are pushing to the employee, encouraging them to do the work with efficiently and effectively. Okay? So, now we are going to move into the next one, the features of the directing. Let's see what is the position of the directing in an organization, how it is going to be help to the company as well as to the employee. Okay? I hope so you all are ready. So, let's start. Features of directing. As you know, the features means the characteristic of the point. What are the good thing, bad thing, what are the merits, demerits, etc. What are the importance of such function? This we are going to see in this topic. Features of directing. Okay, let's start with the first point, that is your initiate action. You know what the word meaning of initiate means? You have to take the first step forward. Okay, it means that the employee should start the work. Its starting of the work is also depend on the direction. Once he get the direction, then only he'll going to do the work. Right? As a TV channel is running only when they get the direction from the remote. जब हम लोग रिमोट यूज़ करते हैं, जिस चैनल को क्लिक करते हैं वही चैनल रन होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. It means that without direction, not the work going to be start. So initiate action means the very first time employee starting the work only after getting the direction. Okay? The second point is integrate the employee effort. As you know, The organization is very large in size, and no one company, no one organization do its all activities, all the work individually. Right? There is a teamwork always there in the organization. So because of the direction, employees will integrate their effort. Because of the direction, the integration of effort means a grouping, a teamwork, work getting together. It's only done because of the direction. You know what, if the direction is not there, there is the chances that all the employee may will going to do the same work, or maybe there is some work going to be left over. But because of the direction in the company, in the organization, each and every employee going to get what the work they have to do. Right? So because of the direction only, we can integrate the employee effort. I hope so you're clear, guys. Now moving to the next one. Continuous process. I don't think this word I need to explain, but still I can. Continuous process means we have to do the direction regularly. Each and every day, each and every moment, each and every second we need a direction. As our activity going to be get, and when we are going to start the new activity, we need the direction. It means that जैसे ही एक काम खत्म हुआ दूसरा शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, तुरंत डायरेक्शन आ जाता है. इसका मतलब कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस का मतलब रोज रोज तो है ही, बट ईच एंड एवरी सेकेंड, ईच एंड एवरी मिनट हम अपने आप को डायरेक्टिंग करते हैं. दैट्स वाई इट इज नोन एज अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस. अगर हमने अपने आप को एक सेकेंड के लिए भी रोक दिया तो शायद डायरेक्टिंग नहीं होगा, और डायरेक्टिंग नहीं होगा तो जो भी एक्टिविटी आप कर रहे हो उसका कोई गोल अचीव नहीं होगा. So that's why you need to do the continuous directing to yourself to get the efficiently goal complete. Okay, now moving to the next one. Motivates to the employee. Through the direction, the company, the organization motivate to its employee for doing the work properly, efficiently or effectively. Okay, motivation means pushing, encouraging them in a positive way to do the work. What the benefit they will get after completing the work need to see, and that is possible only when we do the directing. Okay, now moving to the next one. Optimum utilization of resources. I hope so. As a commercial, we are saw this point each and every year. If you are really commercial student, so you know what, you need to do the optimum use of each and every resources, whatever you are having with you, your time, your money, your material, whatever you guys having with you, need to do the optimum use. But you know what, optimum use is possible only when we know how to use that particular resources. If you don't know how to use the particular resources, but still we are using that, there is a chances of the wastage. And if there is a wastage, the profit will get reduced. That's why here it is saying that due to the direction, each and every employee will do their work properly without making the wastage, or maybe having a lesser wastage, minimizing the wastage. Because in the direction they get to know how to do the work properly. Within how many time, with the using of how much material they can complete their work, they know in direction. That's why here the optimum use of resources is possible. And as when we are going to make the optimum use of resources, it means that wastage get reduced, profit will increase, and that's what the organization want from the employee. For that only they are doing the direction. Hope so clear. Moving to the next one. Improve the communication and performance. Improve the communication and performance through the direction. The organization come to know in a close relation with the employee what the employee need, what are their requirement. And you know what, there is a two side, one side organization, one side employee. They both are always standing against of each other, but because of the direction, this is possible to create the favoritism relation between the organization and employee. It means that employee only having a wish to increase in a salary, having a good performance, good facilities, but the organization want always to earn the high profit. And that's why, you know what, they don't know that for this they need to depend on each other. This is make the possible only by directing, that we can improve the communication, and through the communication we can improve our performance. While directing to the employee, the organization says that as you increase your performance, make the optimum use of resources, your work will complete efficiently and effectively, then wastage and the cost will reduce. Automatically company going to get the high profit, and as a once company on the high profit, they will definitely give you high salary also. Okay, so by this way the performance of both employee as well as of the organization going to get increased. Moving to the next one, exist at all the level of management. You know what, as you know, the organization is divided into two segments, managerial and non-managerial, 3 level, top, middle, lower. But you know guys, at all the level the employees are there, and you know, wherever the employees are there, they need to direction. That's why it says that the directing is exist at all the levels. Okay, run from top to bottom. This directing function generally move from top to bottom, or maybe sometimes it is also possible through the communication horizontally also this is moving. Okay, and the last one, balance in the organization. Balance in organization in terms of the satisfaction means as the efficiency and effectiveness of the employee performance is there, so due to that the company is going to earn the high profit, and when they earn the high profit they definitely give the high salary. Due to this the balance and the peace of relation is created among the organization, means both the parties, organization as well as the employee, both are going to get achieve their satisfaction, their need, their requirement. Okay, so I stop here only today for first day. That's enough. Happy and stay home, stay safe, and make a notes each and every day whatever I'm teaching to you all. If you having any doubts, students, so you can ask me in the evening schedule doubt session, which is running from 6 to 8. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, take care, have a nice day.